Hello everyone, this is Bhanu Prakash from Dr. MGR University. I am going to explain you about structured query language, which is SQL. What is SQL? SQL stands for Structured Query Language, which is a standardized language for interacting with RDBMS Relational Database Management System. SQL is used to perform create, retrieve, update and delete operations on relational databases. SQL can also perform administrative tasks on database such as database security, backup, user management, etc. Types of structured query language. There are four types of SQL: DDL, data definition language; DQL, data query language; DCL, data control language; DML, data manipulation language. Let us see in detail about all these. DDL, Data Definition Language. DDL consists of the SQL commands that can be used to define the database schema. It simply deals with descriptions of the database schema and is used to create and modify the structure of the database objects. Some of the examples of DDL commands are: create is used to create the database or its objects; drop is used to delete objects from the database; alter is a command used to alter the structure of the database; truncate is used to remove all records from a table; comment is used to add comment to the data dictionary; rename is used to rename an object existing in the database. Let us see example for all these commands. Create. Create table is a command given to create a new table. Here employee info is the name of the table. In the brackets, all the attributes which are columns of which are required by the table should be provided. Employee ID is the name of the column that is given to the table. Here, along with the name of the column, also its data type should be mentioned. Employee ID consists in data type, so it's mentioned as an int. Employee name consists character type, so it is given as varchar. Drop database is the command given to drop a table. Alter table employee info is the command given to alter the information in the table. Here add blood group varchar is followed by that command, which means that the new column blood group will be added to the existing table. Truncate table employee info. This is a command used to delete the information that is present in the table, but the table exists, so that we can provide new information into the table. Rename. Alter table name, rename to new table name, which means the name of the table will be changed into new table name which is provided. DQL, Data Query Language. DML statements are used for performing queries on the data within schema objects. The purpose of DQL commands is to get some schema relational database on the query passed to it. Example of DQL are: select is used to retrieve data from the database. Also, along with the select, where and from clauses are also comes under data query languages. DML, Data Manipulation Language. The SQL commands that deals with the manipulation of data present in the database belongs to DML or Data Manipulation Language, and this includes most of the SQL statements. Example of DML are: insert. Insert is used to insert data into a table. Update is used to update existing data within a table. Delete is used to delete records from a database table. Let us see example for each of these commands. Insert. Insert into employee info. This is the command given to provide some information into the table. The values in the brackets, all the values to the columns present in the table should be provided. Update. Update employee info. Set employee name is equals to and city name is equals to something that we want to update it into. where employee ID is equals to 1. So the row which consists employee ID as 1 will be updated into the new names that we have provided. Delete. Delete from employee info where employee name is equals to the name. So all the row will be deleted from the table which the employee name consists the name that we have provided to it. DCL, Data Control Language. DCL includes commands such as grant and revoke, which mainly deals with the rights, permissions, and other control of the database system. Example of DCL commands. Grant gives users access privileges to the database. Revoke withdraw users access privilege given by using the grant command. Let us see example for these commands. Grant. To grant, select permission to employee info table to user 1. Grant select on employee info to user 1. Here user 1 will be provided to select the information in the table. Revoke. To revoke the grant permission from user 1. This revoke permission will revoke the permission that we have given to the user 1. Another feature of SQL is maintaining referential integrity. Referential integrity connects IDs from multiple tables to tell the database that they are referring to the same thing. With referential integrity, we can make it so that we cannot have a buyer who is not also in the users table. This connection is known as a foreign key constraint. A foreign key references the primary key of another table. In this case, the primary key is the user ID and the foreign key is the buyer ID. Thank you.